So once again guys, good to see you. In this video we will be unboxing dummies. Dummies. Let's see the difference between this dummy, this guy, with the toolbox. I ordered one which was a dummy. When it will be formed, you will be crouching. The one is standing with extending right and left hand. So let's see what is in these boxes. In this given situation, I ordered these dummies in order for us to cope with the situation, especially that pandemic is not yet over. So I ordered these dummies for our students and me to use whenever we need a partner in order to learn some ground techniques and throwing techniques. So let's get started. Let's start with this, then after this one. So first this. So I ordered this in the Amazon and let's see how its durability and the quality. Also this one I ordered this one only. It's only the one placed inside is not included. The same with this. Hopefully the description on the online advertisement ads are the same with the quality that they sent us. So let's start. This one is the one I'm quoting you, the crouching dummy. Supposedly the position is like this. So I will show you how to fill this up later. But in this video we like to see only if it's what is in the ad is true. So it's leather and basically no damage as we check thoroughly. Okay, so this is the one who is crouching. Okay, so it's a ladder. The next, the first one that we have to open is the one standing with the extending arm. So this and that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video when we will fill this up and we will try to use it. Okay, and we compare the three of this one, 2, and this one. So thank you guys for watching. See you.